I'm Enzo Del Reyes from secondopinion.ph and we're here in Asea Subic, test driving this new Chery Tiggo 8 Pro, Chery's new flagship SUV.
Hi everyone, I'm Mika Del Reyes from secondopinion.ph and I actually got to see this car unveiled at MIA's early April, and right now I'm having an exciting time driving this car. Let's take a quick look at the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. So in this video, we'll be talking about the 8 things we love about the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. First off, the elegant front end styling. I love the huge and stylish diamond grille similar to the front end we first saw in the Tiggo 7 Pro and Tiggo 2 Pro. Meanwhile, the slim LED headlights complete the elegant look. The superb infotainment system. I was impressed with the 12.3-inch touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and is accompanied by an 8-speaker audio system. Luxurious leather seats. Not only are they comfortable, but the two-tone motif is eye candy. The diamond stitching also looks like those found in a Bentley. Fourth, the stunning panoramic sunroof. If you love going on road trips, the large sunroof of the Tiggo 8 Pro will be an absolute delight.
Powerful acceleration. With 275 Nm of torque, it surprisingly accelerates much faster than many midsize SUVs. Responsive handling. The steering is very light and responsive. Driving through winding roads, going up Mount Samat was effortless. What stuns me is that the ride is very soft but firm. It absorbs bumps very well without feeling bouncy or floaty. The advanced smart driver assist features. Thanks to its array of advanced smart driver assist features, one of the amazing things the Tiggo 8 Pro can do is automatically brake and steer in emergency situations. Last but not the least, the upscale rear design. From the LED tail lamps to its sporty dual tailpipes to the detailing of the tailgate, every inch of the rear end projects a high-end SUV. Prices of the new Tiggo 8 Pro starts at 1.6 million pesos. There is even a plug-in hybrid variant that sells for 2.4 million pesos. So that's about it.
We hope you enjoyed our video on the new Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. If you're looking for a refined, mid-size 7-seater SUV, make sure to check this out.